Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we'll be discussing why Warren Buffett has been underperforming the stock market for the last few recent years. And this is a question that's been on my mind for a long time, and I've finally done enough research to have a really good understanding of why this is happening. So for those who don't know, Warren Buffett is a huge guru in the investing industry, and not the word guru with a negative connotation. Everyone in the investing industry loves Warren Buffett. Well, I can't say everyone, but the majority of people love Warren Buffett. He's been investing ever since he was really young, and now he is a billionaire with more money than he could probably imagine spending, all from investing in great companies. But recently, if we take a look at his company Berkshire Hathaway, it is up around 20.5% in the last 5 years. If we compare that to the overall stock market, which a good indicator of is the S&P 500, which is tracked by the ETF SPY, if we take a look at the last 5 years on the average stock market, it's up 38.9%, which is almost twice as much as Berkshire Hathaway, which means something's wrong with Warren Buffett's investing strategies recently. Well, this has a few variables in it, which we'll be discussing in today's video. So starting off with the first reason why this may be one of the reasons why Berkshire Hathaway is lacking a little bit. One of the first reasons, if we take a look at Warren Buffett's holdings, is that he is not really adapting with the new technology trend. If we take a look at the majority of technology stocks, they've been outperforming bank stocks. If we take a look at Coca-Cola, credit card companies, everything like that, the majority of tech stocks have been outperforming the average market. And Warren Buffett has only invested, and I say this is a great investment that he made, into Apple, which is one of those tech stocks. But if we take a look at his portfolio, at least the majority of his holdings, the bigger holdings of his, here's a bank, here's an airline, here's actually a tech stock, we got another bank, we got Coca-Cola, a credit card company, a bank. So a lot of these stocks that he invests in are bank stocks. And if we compare a really well-known bank, let's say Bank of America, which is one of Warren Buffett's big holdings, we can see in the last 5 years, it has grown around 40%, which is not bad, I've got to admit. But if we take a look at another stock like Apple, which is in the tech industry that Warren Buffett has invested in, we can see in the last 5 years, Apple is up a whopping 145%. So over 100% more than Bank of America. So basically, it's just a conclusion that tech stocks have a larger reward risk, I would say even risk to reward ratio, than bank stocks. They're more safe, I would say, bank stocks. But just in general, tech stocks usually outperform the majority of like bank stocks or just the average stock market in total. Apple's up 145% in the last 5 years, and the stock market's only up like 40%. So I'm kind of proving a point right here. So Apple, if you take a look at even other stocks, we don't even have to take a look at other stocks like Microsoft. This stock in the last 5 years is up a whopping, if Robinhood decides to load, 285%. So almost twice as much as Apple. So the majority of these tech stocks are growing way faster than these big stocks and other safer stocks, I would say, that Warren Buffett, my guy Warren Buffett here, is holding on to. If we take a look, we got PNC Bank, like I said, we got another credit card company. I'm not saying credit card companies are bad. I'd say they perform a little bit better than bank companies, but still, I'd say technology is the sector where the majority of the money is made. If you guys have ever heard about FANG, that is one really strong group of stocks that has been growing really well recently. And I would say that the majority of the reason why Warren Buffett has been underperforming the market, is because of his lack of adaptation to tech stocks, which are the new era of stocks that perform really well in the stock market and give people really good returns when investing. So that is basically my little rant on why I personally think that Warren Buffett is underperforming the stock market. There may be tons of reasons out there, many more reasons, but that is just my research and my own due diligence that I did on this topic. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. Thank you so much for watching.